My skin glows when I use Banish. I just used the Banisher 3.0 last night, so this is about 16 hours after a session, and I gotta tell you that this is one of my favorite microneedling systems. So I'm thrilled they just gifted me their starter kit again, because I had already used it all up. Now in this video, I'm going to go over exactly what you get in the starter kit and why I think this microneedling system stands out, as I really have tested quite a few. Now to start off with, you get the Banisher 3.0, which is this handle right here. It is a microneedling stamping handle with 2.5 millimeter tips, and these are the most important part. They really do just twist right on, and then once they're on, you can pull off the lid, and this is a stamping microneedling system. Starting off right out the gate, I want to point out that stamping is so much better than any rolling microneedling system, as those can cause micro tears that are not healthy for your skin. It is much better to go in and out, which is what this does. And what makes these needle heads so amazing is that the brand stands by the quality. These are titanium gold-plated needles that are as fine as your hair, and you actually have options as well, as you can get these in little separate packs for 0.25, 0.5, or 1 millimeter length. And all those lengths are going to apply to different use scenarios. The 0.25 really is for collagen, glow, elasticity. It's going to help with anti-aging. It's wonderful on your face. Now, if you have acne scars or anything deeper, you're going to want to go with the 1.0. And if you're using it other parts of your body, which you definitely can, you'll probably want to use a deeper needle as well. Now, there are a bunch of amazing skincare products that Banish makes as well. I'll talk to those in a minute, but I just want to get into what really stands out to me about the Banisher 3.0, as this really is the key product in my mind. The first one is affordability. It is at a much better price point than most of the microneedling systems out there. Either you can get a powered microneedling pen, where you're getting single-use cartridges for, or you can get one of the microneedling systems that's basically needles with a little serum bottle connected. And those are both single-use scenarios for the needles and have pros and cons. Now, my issue with the powered needles with cartridges is it is really hard to find a trusted source. There is one big brand name, Dr. Pen, and Dr. Pen white labels everything. So there are a ton of factories making cartridges that will fit in those powered microneedling devices. And while the device is fine, finding cartridges you trust that have needles at the quality you actually want to apply to your skin is challenging. And then on the other side, you have the microneedling serum sets. Now, there are some very reputable brands out there like Cure, but there are just as many brands that I don't trust. And with those, it's really the quality control that is really hard to verify, because it's unclear where those serums are being made most of the time, what exactly is in the serums, and again, back to the needles. You don't know if the needles are actually what they say they are. Banish is a US company that's very reputable, and while I'm not sure their needles are made in the US, they stand by the quality and have excellent quality control. So you're getting exactly what you want here. The main pros for this is that because of the quality of these needles, you can actually use the same needles 4 to 8 times, which is really stand out, makes this a much more affordable option. And I also absolutely love that you can choose your own serum. You are not limited to Banish's serum or any other serum. You really can make this your own. And then we get into the incredible skincare products Banish makes. Everything is made in small batches. It's vegan, very clean products. You can actually recognize all the ingredients in them, and they are so powerful. And to start off with, the Banish Serum is perfect for after doing a microneedling session. This is very strong with the vitamin C, so you're really gonna feel it when you put it on. I usually don't notice it too much when I'm microneedling my skin, but I definitely notice it when I apply this serum. It has an almost oily-like texture, but it is non-comedogenic, and it's so nice on your skin. And while you can certainly use this all the time, I only use this after microneedling sessions because it is this very protective serum that is a little more oily than something I want to use on a daily basis. Instead, I love Banish's vitamin C cream. This is a very lightweight vitamin C cream. Again, it is vegan, very clean, no fragrances, nothing artificial, no extra fillers, small batch, all that good stuff, and it's just lovely. And on top of that vitamin C, it has rosehip oil. It also has extracts from a ton of different berries to really give you a lovely lightweight moisturizer. I really like this for the mornings. You can use it morning or night. Now, if your skin is extra irritated or you have acne and you just want something really calming, you will probably want to go for Banish's Fighter Gel. This is a very different experience. It is mostly aloe vera, so very calming, very soothing. It also has arnica to help with inflammation and Centella asiatica, which is really fantastic for healing your skin, especially your moisture barrier. And on top of that, it has green tea extract and peppermint, which you can smell. So this one has a bit of a light smell from that peppermint. And while you can certainly use this after microneedling sessions, I personally prefer using this on irritated skin anywhere on my body, right where I need something calming, hydrating, supportive. Really nice. And then finally, the starter kit comes with the pumpkin enzyme mask. This mask is rather insane. It really does smell like a pumpkin pie. You really get the smell of like pumpkin and allspice. It's always fun when I apply this to my face because it looks wild, but it feels so good, and it makes me hungry just smelling it. And this is powerful for cleaning out dead skin cells, making your skin have a more even tone, helping with pores. It's so nice. Whenever I use this, it just makes my skin glow even more. Just be really careful with this one because it is quite powerful with all the enzymes in it. You do not want to use this right after a microneedling session. I personally would give it 3 days and then use this. But when you're not doing microneedling sessions, you can use this 2 to 3 times a week. I think what I love most about Banish is that it's very beginner friendly and extra clean. It's one of the few brands I trust across the board. Everything they provide is something that I am confident my skin is going to like. Now, obviously, results may vary. Maybe your skin does not like pumpkin or something specific in the ingredients of some of their products. That's something you and only you will know. But I'm going to tell you right now that this needle head is one of the best options out there for stamping microneedling. It's one of the very few that I trust on my skin. So if you are looking for a really affordable way to microneedle on a regular basis for cosmetic improvement, or if you're going deeper after scarring, hyperpigmentation, this is the most affordable and highest quality microneedling set that I have had the opportunity to test. It's the only USA brand that I feel confident that you're gonna love as well. Banisher 3.0 is amazing, as is everything Banish makes in Pasadena, California.